Hey guys, so want to stop paying for Netflix? This year, T-Mobile's Netflix on Us remains one of the best perks in wireless. When- Whether you're on the new better value plan or a classic Go 5G plan, setting it up only takes about 2 minutes. And of course, I'm showing you how to link your account so T-Mobile picks up the tab. Alright, first, make sure that your plan qualifies. So this year, Netflix on Us benefit is usually included if you have 2+ lines on Go 5G, Magenta, or the new better value plan. A single line on 5G Go Next or Go 5G Plus. If you're on a single line of a basic plan, you might not see the offer. Log in into the T-Life app and look for the streaming or manage tab to see your specific rewards. And once you're in the T-Life app, tap the Manage tab, select See Plans, and then Manage Add-ons. Scroll down to the Services section and find Netflix. This year, most plans include Netflix Standard with ads by default. If you want an ad-free or 4K premium versions, you can select them there. T-Mobile will pay the base amount, and you'll just pay the small difference on your T-Mobile bill. And after you hit Continue and agree to the terms, tap and go to Netflix. This is the most important part. Now, if you have a Netflix account, just log in and Netflix will stop charging your credit card. If you're new, you'll be prompted to create a new password. This year, it can take 1 to 2 billing cycles for the credit to sync perfectly, so don't panic if you see one last charge on your old card. If you recently switched to the better value plan, remember that your bundle also includes Hulu and Apple TV Plus. And that's it. That's how you get T-Mobile to pay for your next binge watch. If the setup guide saved you some money today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.